5 years after launching his tech company in Indonesia, Gibran Huzaifa found himself in deep money trouble. The startup he built, eFishery, that lets farmers feed fish from their phones, was just 3 months away from running out of cash. Gibran told Bloomberg he spent a long time just staring at an Excel spreadsheet of eFishery's finances on his laptop.
What he started to do very slowly at first was he just started to play with the numbers. It was almost a thought experiment. He just started tweaking the numbers to what he thought investors would want to see.
And once he started, he just kept going. Within an hour, he had done what years of hard work couldn't: turn his business into a winner, at least on paper. He hit the send button to show his investors, and he was certain he'd get caught.
Actually, what happened was his existing investors were extremely excited, while the others who had previously said we're not really interested were suddenly extremely keen. He went from being someone that no one wanted to being someone who was hounded for investment opportunities in the space of a few months, thanks to that one spreadsheet.
But the more money he got, the bigger his lies became. Gibran's house of cards eventually came crashing down after a whistleblower report last November blew apart his entire scheme. Some top investors lost hundreds of millions of dollars. This is the Big Take Asia from Bloomberg News. I'm Oanh Ha. Today on the show, the rise and fall of eFishery. How did a young entrepreneur from Indonesia create such a headache for some of the biggest investors in the world? And what does it say about the risks of venture capital investing in Southeast Asia?